is someone else's knickers. I got them in the charity shop for you. And they stink of washing powder. Ugh, they smell of, want to smell? They smell of high street washing powder. Absolutely disgusting. I got some clay left. Oh no, I forgot some here. Oh, quick, and some here. Oh, quick. Ah, the places where the clay is always left. From here as well. It's over now. Okay, and continue. The sneakers, they're so disgusting. They smell of hell. Disgusting. Get rid of some of this place. In fact, that reminds me, I'm going to stop this video there and show you something. Red mark where I haven't got the place. That's interesting. Anyway, see this? They are out of date. They are horrible sausages. And I was going to advertise my Patreon channel. Patreon coming soon. In fact, it's already there. We're going to do some sausage vacuuming.